Maya paldo po kayungan! If you don't already know, I was born and raised in Pampanga, and one of my most favorite dishes to cook and eat is kilaying Kapampangan. So, ang main ingredient natin is about 1 kilo of pork loin na ikakat natin into small pieces. I must emphasize that this is not the authentic way of cooking kilayin, and I will explain why. When I started working here abroad, it was quite frustrating na hindi lahat ng ingredients available for my favorite dishes. So this inspired me to think of alternative na ma-achieve pa rin yung same texture and taste, which you will find out soon. So, pagkatapos natin hiwain yung pork natin, we start slicing onion. And then 5 pieces of garlic, crushed and sliced into small pieces. Pwede na natin painitin ang kawali while chopping the garlic. So, we pour in a little bit of oil. Add in the onion. So, ito lang yung main step natin really is yung paggisa ng ating kilayin. So, pag translucent na yung onion, we can add in the garlic. And then we can start adding in the pork pieces. So, let's wait for all the pork pieces to change color para yung light color ang kailangan nating achieve before adding in the other ingredients. I added in 2 tablespoons of patis, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and when I added vinegar, I made sure na hindi ko hinalo and it's remained uncovered for about 5-10 minutes. And then we add in our surprise ingredient, which is canned sisig. Ito yung na-realize kong best alternative when I knew na I won't be able to get hold of pork lungs and other lamang loob of pork, which has the same texture and crunch na best to add on kilayin. I added in 1 cup of water also para madagdagan lang yung sauce natin. I used 2 cans of pork sisig for 1 kilo of pork. So, pag nandyan na yung lahat ng ingredients, we just have to simmer it for about 15 minutes until maging tender na yung ating pork. And this time, ready na nating tikman. If you feel like it's still lacking salt, you can add in salt. Pero in my case, I just added in pepper. And there you go, it's ready. Ito po yung ating shortcut and easy version of kilaying Kapampangan. I hope this will help especially sa ating mga fellow OFWs.